We'll guide you through how to change your Steam game download location. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, you'll have to open Steam. Now click on the Steam menu in the top left corner. From the drop-down, select Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Storage tab. Here, you'll see your currently available storage locations. To add a new location, click on the drop-down menu at the top of the window. There, you'll find your current drive or drives in use. Click on Add Drive, then choose the drive where you want to store your games. I only have one drive left to add. I will choose that. Click Add to confirm. Now to set this as the default download location, click on the newly added drive and then click on the three dots and then select Make Default. If you want to move existing games to the new location, go back to the Storage tab, select a game from your current library and click Move. Choose the new drive and click Move again. Steam will transfer the game files to the new location. That's it. You've successfully changed your Steam game download location. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.